I'm Allison Walker, and I'm the 4-H Youth Development Agent here in Randolph County. 4-H is for ages 5 to 18. We do programs through school enrichment, 4-H community clubs, special interest, and summer programs. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we have had to change how we do programming. While we are not doing programs face-to-face, we are still available to help members of the community by doing programs virtually. We have resources available on our website and our Facebook page. Since kids are home, we wanted to reach out to the Randolph County School System to see if we could provide at-home gardening kits for elementary students. They asked if we could provide kits for 5th grade. Thanks to help from sponsors such as Southern States of Asheboro, the North Carolina Farm to School Coalition, and Randolph County Cooperative Extension, we are able to provide kits for all 5th grade students and 5th grade teachers in Randolph County. We have been working on making the kits. You can see our pile here. Inside each at-home gardening kit, you will find 2 peat pots, a bag of soil, 1 Jiffy expandable pellet. These are really cool. When you add water, the soil comes out and it expands. These are our seed packets. We have 2 cucumber seeds, 2 tomato seeds, and 2 zinnia seeds. We also have a little brochure. It talks about all the things that seeds need in order to grow, instructions on planting, commonly used gardening tools, and the life cycle of a plant. Each kit will also come with a 5th grade gardening packet. There are several different resource pages in here. There's information on Randolph County 4-H and links to videos that they can watch and learn how to plant their kit. Also, we have included some information about agriculture careers and agriculture in Randolph County. If you didn't know, agriculture is our county's #1 industry. It employs over 8,000 people. We are #1 in beef cattle, #1 in goats, #2 in dairy cattle, and we are #6 in broilers. Those are chickens that we use for meat, and #8 in layers, so chickens that lay eggs for us. Agriculture is so important, and it touches our life 3 times a day, every day, 365 days a year. So this is a great introduction to agriculture and possible careers, and an introduction to 4-H. 4-H is all about teaching life skills, leadership skills, personal development, and communication and public speaking skills as well. We are still here providing resources for youth and kids in our county. If there's something we can do for you, please feel free to contact me. My email is allison_walker@ncsu.edu, or you can call our office at 336-318-6000. We are so thankful to Randolph County Schools for allowing us this opportunity. Thank you.